The reason I enjoy being a part of the Locals and Legends is that you get to the small towns you haven't been to for a while, and I think that the community spirit is something I miss a lot playing in bigger cities. And if there's one thing we get when we come out here with the Legends and Locals program is community spirit. Just singing with the kids here in Blackall was something to behold. The first take of one of the songs almost made me cry. That's the reason we come out here.